We are pleased to show you the 2024 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.